Hey guys, what's up? Today we have with us the Amazfit 2 smartwatch. Let's see if this is worth it or not. So let's get started. So this is the box that it comes in. Similar to the previous gen Amazfit based smartwatches box, all the features written on the back are in Chinese. So let's quickly open this up and get the smartwatch out. On the top is of course the Amazfit 2, pretty similar to the Amazfit base. Let's keep it away for the moment and check the contents of the box. It has a charging dock which has the attached USB cable rather than the two being separate. There is nothing else in the box except for an all Chinese manual. So this is the smartwatch. Looks very mean and masculine with the all black color. The bands are made of silicon. This helps in using it for sport activities. The dial is round and it has 3 buttons on the side as opposed to the single button on the Amazfit base. The body is made up of stainless steel with a skin-like coating on top. On the back are the charging pins and the heart rate sensor. The watch is IP57 rated. It is waterproof. Overall, the watch is very well built, it is sturdy and feels really good in the hand. When you power up the watch for the first time, it will give you a QR code that needs to be scanned in order to use it. The app needs to be downloaded from the Chinese server right now. I'll leave a link below for that too. The watch once powered up looks like this. On the front, it has a transflective OLED display, which means that the more the light falls on it, it becomes more easy to view the display even without the backlight. So in direct sunlight, the watch is easily visible. I believe all watches should have this kind of technology for their displays. Coming to the watch faces, right out of the box, you get a dozen watch faces which look great on the watch. Some of them are even customizable. You can change the color and other settings of the watch face. Swipe left and you can get into the sport activities. Once you press go, the watch vibrates and gives you a haptic feedback that the activities has started. This is quite similar to the Amazfit base and the Amazfit bip activity features. You can get your distance, speed, calories burnt, etc. The data record is pretty accurate and detailed. I have been using the Amazfit bip as my go-to fitness band and it records data very precisely and accurately, and this is no different. Once you swipe right, you have the weather, heart rate, music, alarm, compass, which needs to be calibrated, stopwatches and much more. You can also get the notifications directly on the watch if the watch is connected to your smartphone. It can receive phone calls but it cannot answer them. It can receive IMs as well. They can only be read but cannot be replied to. The watch is in Chinese as of now, but expect a firmware update to change the language to English. This is what happened with the Amazfit bip. Right now the app is completely in English, so that is good. All the data can be synced from the watch to the app, including the sleep data as well. You can download the watch faces as well, but this is not working currently for some reason. You can also change which apps can send notifications to your watch. So the Amazfit 2 is an incremental update to the Amazfit base. Both of them look the same, weigh the same, have the same features. The Amazfit 2 is a bit smoother to use and looks a little better in my opinion. Other than that, both of them are almost identical to each other in every aspect. And that's a good thing, since you get all the great features from the base in an even better looking and stylish package, which makes the Amazfit 2 a really great deal. In my opinion, these watches are the best smartwatches you can buy right now. So if you'd like to buy one, head to GearBest.com and use the link given below. It helps out the channel. So guys, this is it from the video. do hit the like and the thumbs up button. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.